In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SLA policies in Freshdesk. Service Level Agreements, or SLAs, help you set clear expectations for response and resolution times so your team knows what to prioritize and your customers know what to expect. Let's walk through creating a policy from scratch and make sure each setting is working in your favor. First, head to the admin area by clicking the gear icon in the left sidebar. This is where all your key configurations live. From there, open SLA Policies under the Workflows section, then select New SLA Policy. You're now in the right place to define exactly how your support team should respond to different kinds of tickets. Give your policy a clear name that your team will recognize and add a short description if helpful. A descriptive name, like High Priority Support, makes it easy to identify later, especially if you build multiple policies for different scenarios. Next, set the conditions that determine when this SLA applies. In the section labeled, when a ticket satisfies these conditions, choose whether tickets must match any condition or all conditions. Match Any is broader. Match All is more specific. Click Add New Condition, then pick a field such as Group, Company, Product, Source, or Type. For example, you might set Group is Support Team and Priority is High. This targets the policy to only the tickets that genuinely need faster handling, reducing noise and keeping your metrics accurate. Now configure your SLA targets. Under Set SLA Target As, define the time goals for each priority. For instance, urgent might be a 15-minute first response and an 8-hour resolution. High could be 30 minutes and 16 hours, medium 1 hour and 24 hours, and low 2 hours and 32 hours. Set the first response time, which is how quickly the initial reply must go out. Every response time if you track subsequent replies, and the resolution time for fully closing the ticket. Choose whether these timers follow business hours or run 24/7, depending on your coverage. Scroll to the Reminders section to keep agents proactive. Select the target, like first response, set a time before breach such as 5 minutes, and choose who gets notified, for example the assigned agent. Add multiple reminders if needed to create gentle nudges. Then move to Escalations. Define the condition, such as first response not met, set the timing, like immediately, and pick the recipient, such as a manager or team lead. Add additional escalation layers if your process requires it. Finally, click Save. Your SLA policy is now active and ready to guide your team. Thanks for watching.